Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, September 9th, 2025. Let's take a look at the charts. Start with the big picture. Once again, we push into the 350s. We almost tagged on Monday, 360.21. The high was 358.44, and we fell away just a bit. This is our ceiling of resistance, able to contain buying not only for the week, the month, but even into later year. Below the 351.39 to 360.21 region, one can make the case for 264.56 over the next 2 to 3 months. Clarifying that as a clear-cut objective would be a settlement over the next few weeks at 316.78. But given our repeat testing of this upper area, 351.39 to 360.21, we now anticipate 314.61 as a 2 to 3 week objective. On the way down, 327.78 can contain daily selling pressures. I call 327.78 a 3 to 5 day target, 314.61 a 2 to 3 week objective. And if we're talking just the day itself, I've got 343.33 as a soft intraday pivot point, above which we continue testing the 351.39 to 360.21 wide zone of resistance, about 9 points wide, able to contain buying not only for the week, but possibly through the rest of the year. Downside, breaking or opening below 343.33 does set up 327.78 as a possible intraday target, but the likelier outcome would be a settlement today below 343.33, signaling 327.78 within a day or two, where we can bottom out on a daily basis. And yes, a 3 to 5 day swing trade basis is possible here, where we could rotate off of 327.78 back into the 350s again within 3 to 5 days. Closing below 327.78 does set up within just another day or two 314.61, which I think is our 2 to 3 week target now anyway, following the repeat test on Monday of the 351.39 to 360.21 region, where we could bottom out at 314.61 through the month of October by the time we test it back into the 350s again. Closing below 314.61 does clearly indicate 264.48 as the next kind of 3 to 5 week target where we could bottom out through the rest of the year. That covers the downside pretty well. Talking upside now, let me kind of rifle through the charts here. Let me see, where are you? There you are. So if we push today above 360.21, which I showed on the weekly chart, we could...
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
Potentially test 372.46 intraday, and that in itself is a 1 month, 6 week channel top, likely to contain buying for the balance of the day. But if we do close today above 360.21, I guess I would say don't be short. If you're in a short position, you may consider covering that short position. I don't have a problem going long or easing into a long position. I would like to see how Friday pans out. So a daily settlement above 360.21 should be respected for its potential to set off aggressive follow-through buying through the rest of the week. But we don't know whether that will clearly happen or not. I do think that the channel top that we show here, once again at 372.46, will have something to say about all that. So if you can kind of withstand a push into the low 370s, we could back away from there into Friday. If we do close above 360.21 on Friday, that is your reversal signal. So exiting a short position with a settlement today, Tuesday, above 360.21, and then all in on a long position with a Friday settlement above 360.21, anticipating then over the following 2 to 3 weeks, 391.62, and over the following 5 to 8 months, yes, 520 372.49. 5-year channel resistance would be anticipated, where we could top out on a quarterly, possibly annual basis. Now, if we do, once again, push through, close above 360.21, I don't want to discourage you from reversing altogether. I just sort of nuanced a trade where you exit a short position with a settlement today above 60.21, and then you go all in on a long position with a Friday settlement above 360.21. But I don't have a problem with you reversing midweek and going long. If we do happen to then, let's say, I don't know, Thursday, close above 372.46, we could potentially, by Friday's close, reach the 391.62 formation. And that's the kind of explosive trade that is possible with a settlement today above 360.21. But in terms of a clarifying long-term, long position entry, that comes into play with a Friday settlement above 360.21, then expecting the 520s as we move into Q1, Q2 of next year. I think I'm going to leave it at that for Tuesday's Tesla Report. You have a great day.